Building an app usually sounds complicated for a reason. You need an idea, then you need design, then development, then backend, then testing, and all of that takes time, money, and skills. But what if you could skip almost all of that and just describe your idea in plain English and the app gets built for you? That's exactly what I tested with Code Flying, and honestly, it feels like we're getting very close to a new way of building software. So I wanted to test something practical, not just a basic example. I gave it a prompt to create a crypto portfolio dashboard, something that tracks assets, shows performance, and gives a clean interface. Normally, this is not a simple project. It involves both front-end and back-end logic, data handling, and UI design. But here, everything starts with just one instruction. Within minutes, the AI started generating the structure of the app. It created a user interface, added components, and even handled parts of the logic behind it. And the surprising part is that it wasn't just a static design. It was functional. You could actually interact with it, navigate through it, and see how everything works. Now, of course, this doesn't mean developers are no longer needed. If you want something very advanced, very optimized, or highly customized, you'll still need technical skills. But that's not really the point here. The real value is how fast you can go from idea to something real. And this changes things especially for beginners, because before, having an idea was not enough. You needed execution skills. Now, the barrier is much lower. You can test ideas quickly, build prototypes, and validate concepts without investing too much time or money up front. Another interesting part is how flexible the process feels. You can keep refining your app by just talking to the AI. You want to change the layout, add features, or modify something, you just describe it and it updates the project. That kind of interaction makes the whole experience much more intuitive compared to traditional development. But again, there are limitations. The design is sometimes basic, and the customization is not always deep enough for complex use cases. Also, if your idea is too advanced, the AI might struggle to fully implement it correctly. So this is not a complete replacement for development, at least not yet. Still, for what it is, this is extremely powerful, especially for creators, entrepreneurs, and people who want to build something quickly without going through the full technical process. It's more like a shortcut to getting started. And if you look at the bigger picture, this is part of a larger trend. AI is not just helping with tasks anymore, it's starting to build things. Whether it's content, apps, or workflows, the role of AI is expanding very fast. So overall, I'd say this is one of the most useful tools if you're trying to turn ideas into real products quickly. It's not perfect, but it's definitely moving in the right direction. And if it keeps improving, it could completely change how apps are built in the future. If you want to try it and see what you can build, check the link in the description.